Now you can enjoy the convenience of having cold, filtered water for drinking, coffee, and cooking right from your GE Appliances refrigerator without the buying and storage hassles of bottled water. Genuine GE Appliances replacement water filters use advanced filtration technology to reduce lead, mercury, asbestos, cysts, pesticides, and herbicides, plus chlorine taste and odor. Each filter is easy to replace. They're also guaranteed to fit your GE Appliances refrigerator. The result is cleaner, filtered water and the assurance that you're protecting both your family and your GE Appliances refrigerator warranty. For better quality filtered water and ice, trust GE Appliances refrigerator filters.